Hi everyone, so this is a response to a comment that I got on my Shanny flash review. So Carl Bradley, he commented on the video saying that he wanted me to do a comparison between this Shanny flash and the Nikon Speedlight, comparing how noisy they are in a silent situation. So unfortunately I don't have a Nikon flash on me at the moment, so for now I'll just be doing a sound test of this flash. So I'll do one test when the camera is really close to the flash, and one test I'll move back and let you hear how it sounds. As I don't have a secondary camera, I'll be using my G5 to record this video, so this video can double as a video test for the G5. Alright Carl, so I hope that answered your question. If you guys like this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.